Hey guys, welcome back to Western New York Weather. So today we're going to start with radar. Radar, we have some severe thunderstorm warnings with threats of 0.75-inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gust threat. And this is a radar indicated threat, and this is including Hamburg. Bigger locations impacted are Hamburg, East Aurora, Boston, New York, Eden, Colden, Orchard Park, Gowanda, North Collins, East Concord, and Elma Center. It's including a lot of places, so make sure this storm could intensify to, could produce a tornado. Very unlikely, but it could. 60-mile wind record size hail is still both radar indicated. Similar places, this a little bit south of Gowanda, North Collins, and Collins, Daytona, Warsfield, South Daytona, Perrysburg, Hamlet, Silver Creek Reservoir, and Versailles. Radar indicated. There's a severe thunderstorm watch for just across the river in Canada. There's a tornado risk for them, 90-kilometer wind gusts, which is about severe limits. I think it's a little bit above, around that 60-70 mile per hour winds. They go size and heavy downpours, and there's a tornado risk, so we could have similar tornadoes. I heard there was a report there was a tornado just in Canada, but I wasn't warned. We got some Florida warnings over here, and there is a tornado watch just north of Toronto. This is a dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation, or PDS. I'm pretty sure this is their version of a PDS warning, and not all of these watches have the PDS tag, but these southern ones do. As daytime heat comes to end, these storms will come to an end. Um, this These are strong to severe thunderstorms still. Looking at velocities, we got some stronger wind gusts, 40, 50 down here, sustained over here. And we got some broad rotation on this backside right here and here. Could be chances for tornadoes. Look at correlation coefficient. There's no CC traps at this time, but that is a little concerning. And there's lots of thunder, there's lots of lightning associated with these storms. Again, severe thunderstorm warnings should not be taken lightly. And there's a non-zero tornado risk today, so just be on the lookout. Looking at the Buffalo National Weather Service office, we do have these warnings. You can see radar. These thunderstorms are coming through. Looking at the weather story, severe thunderstorms. There is currently ongoing severe thunderstorm risks. There's a wind gust threat. There was an observed tag on a severe thunderstorm. Weather spotters actually confirmed there was wind damage somewhere. It had the observed tag on the wind threat on one of the later warnings. Excessive rainfall. There's heavy rain with these thunderstorms coming through, and don't be on the water. Hear thunder, go indoors, because there's a chance of lightning. It could hit you. If you're driving, don't drive in a flooded roadway. Turn around, don't drown. That's another. There's gonna be several rounds of showers and thunderstorms that around some breaks of dry weather, marginal risk. So there could be more than one round of these severe thunderstorms. Experimental draft, severe thunderstorm risks and thunderstorm winds within the Western area. Don't go swimming tomorrow. I don't know why you want to go swimming during a thunderstorm tomorrow. There's wind threats. lightning threats, excessive rainfall threats. It's in that marginal risk likely. That's included. Storm prediction. There is a 0%. There's less than 2%, but I would say keep a watch out for tornadoes. That doesn't mean shit. This doesn't mean shit. It's low risk. There's not gonna be a big outbreak, but there's a non-0% chance of tornadoes. There's not expected to be strong, long duration tornadoes, but there is a chance for tornadoes. I might look at the models real quick. We got this low coming through. It's producing thunderstorms and the high pressure, as we talked about in previous forecasts. So, yeah. It's a similar lookout. Maybe have this low later in the model run. This is 300 hours out. I wouldn't trust this low. This is going into September. Sorry, that late. Jesus. CMC, thunderstorms coming through. Heavier rain, maybe isolated severe thunderstorm, maybe even a small tornado. It's possible, not likely. Again, I can't stress that enough. Icon, same kind of deal. All agreeing. I also want to come back to this. There's a lot of NewSeg's reporting around 11,000 NewSeg customers are without power at this time. I'm gonna check for if there's anything else. Still this Climate Prediction Center. Actually, looking at the 6 to 10 day, it's gonna be a little bit. There's gonna be a hot heat wave coming through, bringing a high pressure around in lots of areas. We're above average temperatures, so we're not even that 30-40. We're in this 50-60, even 60-70% chance of just abnormally warm temperatures. Precipitation outlook, as this high pressure sets up, it's going to provide a block from this rain, and this rain's going to go about around here. The jet's going to start going up as this high blocking pressure blocks here, and brings this ridge all the way over into Canada instead of here. So that's why we're having below normal precipitation in this outlook. Looking at the national forecast maps, we get this low coming through our region the next couple of days, producing heavier rain, maybe some severe thunderstorms. And yeah, as this low comes through, it's producing thunderstorms. As it's stalling out, it's going to produce some rain, about a quarter to a half an inch. Day 1, day 2, similar deal, maybe a little higher amounts. Day 3, nothing much. Looking at the 5-day totals, let's see. Where is that? There we go, sorry. Inch maybe, around that inch mark. Similar outlook for the 7-day. Get some embedded chances for higher than 1.5 inches of rain. Let's look at the excessive rainfall. We got a marginal, we got a slight just south of us. Another marginal risk. There's some marginal risk for upstate New York. So, I already seen some wind reports. So this is still an 1-inch hail threat. Looks like this warning here, just south of this Hamburg warning, expired. Still 16 minutes left in the warning. With 0.75-inch hail. It's still not observed, but we still have this thunderstorm over here. There's a small CC. That's weird. Let's go back to reflectivity real quick. There's this thunderstorm is coming through this region. Looks like it's going northeastern direction. Get some lightning. I'm surprised this is not warned. And you got more thunderstorms going this way. You got a special weather statement that could be upgraded. Doesn't have the upgraded, could be upgraded tag on it, but it's possible. We got some flood advisories. We got another severe thunderstorm warning over here. Lightning, cloud to ground lightning is possible with that storm. Let's see, let's go over here. Let's see, does this have it? No. Location's still affecting. It looks like Concord's getting some of the brunt of the storm. North Collins just experienced some of the storm. Brant, Collins, let's see, Springville's about to experience the storm. Let's look at velocities, the wind speeds. High storm velocities have got some stronger winds down here, southern of the storm. And they might have to update this to cancel this part out. So East Aurora, Hamburg, Holland, Colden, West Falls, North Boston, East Aurora, Elma Center, parts of West Seneca, and then they still have some rotation right here. Could be something to watch out for if there's any tornadic activity. And this did go severe thunderstorm warned. 1 inch hail, 60 miles per hour. This includes the Rochester Metro and suburbs around it. So be weather aware. This is a radar indicated threat. This includes Rochester Metro, Greece, Iroquois, Chile, East Rochester, Webster, Fairport, Brighton, Gates, North Gates, and Hurriata. This is a radar indicator. This has 1 inch hail, so that could be some destructive hail coming with these storms. You still have these tornado watches. You still have these severe thunderstorms. We got some severe down here. There's considerable in Kentucky. I think I'm gonna end the video. I might, if you want me to do some severe weather coverage just message me on my Discord, which is samasharksimp. I'll put it down in the description. I'll find a place to stream it if you want to watch it. Wow, look at that wind. That is really strengthening down here. Get some rotation though too. Yeah. I'll end the video now. It's already getting pretty long. I want to mainly focus on this severe weather coverage, and we'll go from there. Sometimes I don't like this radar. Please like and subscribe. I love doing these videos, especially with severe weather. And winter weather is coming sooner than we think. I know it's August 17th, but time flies, you know. I'll end the video in here, and goodbye.